Hi guys, welcome back to Polytechies YouTube channel and welcome back to another new video on my channel. So today's video is going to be awesome as less informative at the same time. Today we have a unboxing video. This is the first time I am actually unboxing a all-in-one liquid cooler. The model of this cooler is Kraken Z73. It's a superior liquid cooler with a digitally rotatable display that support NZXT cam info, custom images and GIFs. This cooler that's guaranteed for up to 6-year warranty. This cooler comes in this awesome box packing. You got the NZXT Kraken Z73 branding on the box. This liquid cooler has lot of awesome features which we will talking in this video. You have got a picture of this product here. This is how it's look like. It have a LCD display pump. The LCD display pump that goes in front side of the pump head that allows you to customize what you need to see in the display. You can do clever things like showing the GPU and CPU load and temperatures. You can also see GIFs and other images as well. Let us start the unboxing. So this is how the box packing look like. Let's open the box and check it out. Here got some paperwork at the top. It's a user manual and a warranty guide. Just make sure to read them for all the info of the product. Let's keep them aside and check out the cooler. So this is how the NZXT Kraken Z73 liquid cooler comes packed in the box. The fans come separately packed in this box. You have to fix them on the radiator. So these are the fans that you get with the cooler. They are not any other ordinary fans. They are premium cooling fans designed to provide maximum airflow and cooling. You will get 3 such fans in the box. Let's keep them aside and check out the other stuffs in the box. Here is the 360mm radiator with the pump head. So this is called NZXT Kraken Z73. There we can see that NZXT logo on the side. It's awesome. From my first impression, I have to tell that this thing is a solid build quality. This cooler is suitable for both Intel and AMD sockets. Now let us check out the liquid cooler. The NZXT has a 360mm radiator and the radiator is entirely made of aluminum. It's feel like very lightweight in the hand. Here you have 12 mounting holes. So you can fit all 3 fans with the help of provided screws in the box. So that was about the radiator. Now talking about the pump head. NZXT Kraken Z73 came in with LCD display in 2.3 inch. Its diameter is 60 mm. You can completely controllable with NZXT cam info. And talking about the pipes. Both the rubber tubes are sealed in black nylon braids. The cooler comes with pre-applied thermal paste from company. I don't want to mess it up. That's why I am not removing this thermal paste. And finally comes to the fans. You got 3 premium quality 120mm fans. They have fully black color and have a solid build quality. The fans deliver high performance with low noise. They are designed such a way to keep both airflow and performance. Now everything was good about this cooler. So that was my unboxing and overview of NZXT Kraken Z73. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video and able to learn or see something new about this cooler. So that was it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more new awesome videos. And I will see you in next video.